Hello YouTube! Today I'm going to show you how to perform self-diagnostic tests on Ford Focus 2011. First, you're going to press this set key. While pressing the set key, you have to shift your car key to second position. Okay, let's start the process. Now, let's wait for a few seconds. The test will show up. The gates. Okay. Then press again. Set button to shift on the other test. LED test. We have to find the DTC. DTC stand for diagnostic trouble access or the fault codes. So in my car there is a code DTC number 1 A895. So this fault I'm going to search what's the problem on my car. Okay, thank you very much for watching and have a good day. Bye.